When it comes to software development, choosing the right programming language is crucial. Today, we're diving into the specifics of C++ and Python to help you make an informed decision. C++ was introduced by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1979. It's a general-purpose language that's both high-level and low-level, making it versatile for various platforms. Known for supporting polymorphism, encapsulation, and data abstraction, C++ is a go-to for embedded systems and game development. It's also used in operating systems and by major companies like Adobe and Spotify. On the flip side, Python, created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, is celebrated for its simplicity and readability. It's an object-oriented language that's become a staple in data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Python's dynamic typing and extensive libraries make it a favorite for rapid development and large-scale applications. The syntax of C++ and Python are quite distinct. C++ uses semicolons and curly brackets to structure code, while Python relies on indentation. This fundamental difference affects how developers write and maintain their code, with Python often being praised for its clean and concise syntax. C++ shines in performance-critical applications and is preferred for hardware-level programming. Python, however, is the language of choice for modern technologies like AI and machine learning, thanks to its powerful libraries and frameworks like Flask and Django for web development. In the end, the choice between C++ and Python depends on your project's requirements and your team's expertise. C++ offers speed and close-to-hardware control, while Python provides ease of use and rapid development. Whichever you choose, both languages have proven their worth in the evolving landscape of software development.